When you look at the human body, you see that the feet are the point that's the furthest away from the head. What does that tell you? The distance to the brain is the longest, so they are the body part that we have the least conscious control of. That's why you can often learn very much just by observing people's feet. Feet bring us from point A to point B. When we want to go somewhere, it starts with the first step. The movement starts with the feet. So feet often reveal our intentions without our knowing. If you look at two people standing together and talking and you see that the foot of one person is pointing towards the exit, this is a hint that the person actually wants to leave. If you see this in your conversation partner, you might be holding them up. Maybe they're in a hurry and want to leave. Another thing you can see on people's feet is if they like someone more than they like others. Usually we turn towards the person we're focused on, and that manifests itself in our feet pointing towards that person. So if you see two men and one woman standing together and you see that the feet of both men are pointing towards the woman but not towards each other, it's apparent that the woman is the center of attention. When you want to make everyone feel engaged and involved in the conversation, point your feet outwards and not only towards one person. This same dynamic can also help you when networking, especially when you see two people already talking with each other and wonder if it would be okay to go and join them. If you notice that the feet of the people point directly to each other, just like it's shown in this drawing, these two people are very concentrated on each other and probably don't want other people joining them, especially not a stranger. But if two people are standing at an angle or even diagonally to each other, as well as if their feet are pointing outwards, just like in this drawing, they are open for others. You're most likely welcome to approach them. The same thing can help you see when you're welcome after you join a group of people in a conversation. If they open their feet to welcome you, so to say, so that their feet form a V shape, you're welcome in that group. Following the same logic, make sure to do that yourself when someone else joins your group. Generally speaking, it is more common for women to face each other directly with feet pointing to each other, and for men to stand diagonally from each other. As a matter of fact, for men, facing each other directly can be perceived as confrontational. When it's a man and a woman, facing each other directly can be a signal of romantic interest or of a more intense conversation, while standing diagonally shows a more relaxed or friendly situation. By the way, this video is a part of my new video course about nonverbal communication. This course will teach you how to read other people's body language and use your own to be more charismatic, confident, and convincing. If you want to learn more, you can find it under the link in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.